We are going to vlog going to the doctor to make you feel better about your trip to the doctor. Okay, I love you. Don't hate me. Bye-bye.
You do? Okay.
Smells good. Okay. Apologize for all the yelling in advance. Play the sounds on her phone and we heard all the sounds. Honey, she didn't do anything.
All done.
All done. She didn't even get to the bad part. She was just doing your height. She just wanted to know how tall you were. No, she just wanted to. Oh,
Yes,
we will go home. She didn't even do anything. She just wanted to see how tall Charlotte was.
I'm sorry.
Yay.
Doctor,
Yeah, that's what we're gonna say when she comes
all.
in.
how you doing?
Yeah.
Look, Mommy got a paper.
Yes.
Mommy got a paper.
Yes.
What color is Mommy's paper?
Blue.
Blue.
I am too.
That's
Yes.
right.
I
Mm,
am twin person.
that's right.
Yes. Yeah.
Way down.
Right? Yeah, she wanted to just
Yeah.
lay you down.
She just
really
wanted
quick.
to.
You do not have to cry.
Yeah.
We're big girls.
Little finger.
That's right.
Way you down.
She was just laying you down so she could see how tall Charlotte was.
Bye bye.
Yeah. Soon.
You big girl. Oh, you could say. You could say.
Was I hearing a little noise in this room this
Yeah,
morning?
you sure?
Just a little.
Sure were.
Miss Charlotte, happy birthday, belated. How
Thank
did we celebrate
you.
the
She said happy
special
birthday.
occasion?
Pauline?
Oh, that's fun.
It's fine. She's just tired.
Yeah.
Charlotte,
I'm two.
you are?
True.
Whoa, I'm so proud of you. Let's together, Charlotte.
I'm brave.
Yes, you are. 35 inches. Her growth looks good.
Say bye bye to friends.
You want to
Really?
say bye-bye.
You want-
Pounds. 2
Yeah.
pounds, 2 inches in the last 6 months.
Wow.
Okay,
What
so
do you
what this
do
means
about-
is this screening test
What do
doesn't mean
you
that she needs
do
glasses. It just means she needs to see the eye doctor. Okay.
Okay.
So no shots today.
Right. Oh, wow.
Okay, Charlotte, today's really easy.
No
I'm
shots.
just gonna look at.
We are gonna go
Oh my
outside.
gosh, she is so.
We're
You
gonna go
want to go
outside.
outside? Her talking ability is unbelievable.
Oh, yeah, it's crazy.
I always wanted a baby like you. Mine were like silent. There was crying. Charlotte, do you know where your heart is?
Oh, that's cool.
She's listening.
Thanks, Nichols.
Listen.
Hi.
Oh, you faker.
You're a good girl.
Oh,
look at your ear. That one's perfect.
Oh, she just looked in your ear. That was it. Oh, you're a faker.
You're perfect.
All done.
All right, kid.
Done.
It's been real.
How do you spell egg?
Bye
E-G-G. And do you know how to spell bib? Okay, we're all done.
Oh,
bye.
yeah, let's get so good.
Have to come back in like 3 weeks for the shot. Couldn't just get it now. It's fine. Got a little something weird happening with her eyes, so we have to go see a pediatric, whatever the name is for the eyes.